Okay, right, back to the markets then. What are the chartbuster ideas? Let's find out from Kunal as well as Naresh, who are joining right back in. And Kunal, what's the chart of the day?
That's AB Capital, the stock which has made a very strong comeback. I would say almost like a V-shaped recovery comeback. But then the medium and the long-term charts for AB Capital is something which is very attractive. This is the charts for the stock over the last 6 to 7 years. And this is the pattern which gets repeated for the stock price. So the stock has this tendency of going into a strong rally and a breakout mode, and then a consolidation which lasts for a long period of time. What has happened is in 2021-22, the stock went into a broad-based consolidation, but that range and the time is getting narrowed now for AB Capital, which is a sign of a change of behavior as well as a change of trend. So an earlier range which was closer to 120 approximately on the upside and just below that 100 mark for the stock price has now gotten shifted to 150 on the upside and then closer to 120 as a support for the stock. So I believe now that 150 is acting as a 150, 160 is acting as a strong base for the stock, and we could now be seeing the stock heading towards a breakout mode, and this change of behavior could lead to a very strong momentum of uptrend for AB Capital. So expecting the stock to come back towards this range of 190 to 200 possibly in the next 2 to 3 months.
Expecting a big up move on AB Capital, but Kunal, other than AB Capital, what are the other stock specific ideas you have for us?
So two buy calls. The first one is a buy on Policy Bazar. In fact, Graphite India, that's the first stock. That's a buy. Targets of 440. Stop loss could be kept at 366. Policy Bazar PB Fintech is the other stock which looks attractive. In fact, it's made a good start today after 3-4 days of mild correction. So that's a buy. Targets of 688. Stop loss at 622.